We're here in a 2021 340 CVX drive Case IH Magnum tractor, and we're trying to figure out how to get the business band radio coax cable down. If anyone else has had this question, just take off this back A-frame panel, take down the sunshade, and it pulls down just a little. You'll have to have someone go around the outside with a wire and fish the wire through the back window here until you can find the right cable. Make sure to have someone on the outside guiding you so you don't pull down any of the other wires in the headliner. There's quite a few there. They say there's supposed to be a power wire up there as well. We have not found it, but we are going to hook into the 3-prong right back here to make it a little easier and a little cleaner in the grain cart.